Every year, there's more than 400,000 documents filed with the Dallas County Clerk. Some of those documents are forged property deeds, transferring ownership to people who aren't the rightful owners.
It requires a lot of effort for us to try to play this chess game, if you will, of preventing property fraud.
As WFAA has shown in its Dirty Deeds series, deed fraud is easy to do.
All of a sudden, you're on paper as a owner of the property.
So easy, Arnoldo Ortiz did it again. Hey, Arnoldo. From behind bars.
I'm not gonna lie, the money was good.
Should it be that easy to fraudulently transfer a property?
It shouldn't be like that, but that's how easy it was.
Deed fraud may be easy to do, but it's hard to undo.
I rely on title company. That's why we pay them to run the title for us.
The fraud triggered a long legal battle. Before all this, did you have any idea something like this could happen?
No, I have zero idea.
You see, the law puts the burden on the victim to get their property back.
It should not be up to the individual only.
That, says Dallas County Clerk John Warren, adds insult to injury. So he's created instructions and forms for victims to reclaim their property without a big legal bill.
I can imagine how frustrating it is. So to the extent that I can make things a little bit easier for them, that's what I want to do.
Last year, lawmakers gave Warren's office the right to ask for identification.
And so if they don't show their identification, we can refuse it.
Still, he says lawmakers have a lot more to do to make deed fraud harder to do. So we don't have people like Arnoldo Ortiz bragging about how easy it is. One of these forms can be filed at no cost. You can find information on our website about how to do this if you've been a victim of deed fraud. And on Thursday at 10, we're going to have our latest segment of our Dirty Deeds series. I think you'll find it surprising. Back to you, Chris.